Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to change a pistol grip from being stock and how to change the rear side. So to start off, this is our pistol grip. This one is from Element. There's a lot of pistol grip out there in the market. This one is from Element. This has a rubberized feel to it. Very nice grip. We're going to change this because this is a little bit thinner, a little bit small for my hand. So things you'll be needing is a star screw. Flip the rifle like that. Then unscrew it. And while you're unscrewing it, be careful because there's a spring on this side. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a spring there, and you need to remove it slowly. At the same time, be careful. There's the spring, and there's the screw, star screw. And there's that pin. Do not lose that pin because if you lose it, your firing selector will lose its tension. As you can see, it's very loose right now because we remove the spring that's giving it the tension. So moving on, remove the spring, and as you can see it right here, there's a hole. You place the spring right there, like that, like that. Then make sure the spring gets in with that pin. This is the pin. Push the pistol grip, push it there, there, like that. Flip the rifle. This pistol grip has a cover here at the end. I will explain that later. What's that for? Oh, I forgot the spring. Tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. There, it's tight enough. So that's it. This part right here is your cover. You could put anything there, from batteries, for your aim point, for the scopes. You could put anything there, or a rag or something. But I'm placing my wife's picture there. You go. There, it's close. So that's a pistol grip there. As you can see, it's tight because the spring is giving a tension there. So moving on with the rear sight. This is a carrying handle. It already includes the rear sight, so we're gonna change it for the easy usage of, so that we could accommodate the rail here for the scopes and all that good stuff right there. So removing it, just unscrew the knob, loosen the knob rather, and this is the Magpul backup sight. This is the MBUS Magpul backup sight. These stuffs are great. It already includes the front sight. This is the front sight right here, but we won't be using it, so we just need the rear sight for it. Okay, because we already have the gas block. This is the gas block, and it includes already the front sight. So you use a hex driver here. Unscrew it. Screw this portion right here. Slide it into the rail. There it is. It's in line. And put on the screw. And make sure it's tight. There it is. So this is the Magpul rear sight, and you could flip it up for its usage. And you could place now the scope, anything you want here, and just flip this down like that if you're using the scope. Flip it up if you're running low on the battery on it. So that's it. The M4 with new rear sight and our new pistol grip. I hope you find our video informative and fun. Thanks for watching.